fuck is just like, all right, I don't make a budget. I'm just gonna write on my money what it's for to make sure I don't spend it for anything else.
Yeah.
Who had this dollar bill or this $20 bill?
They're just gonna scribble on another, like this one's groceries, this one's utilities.
The way to
this
subtly
is
flex.
savings.
A walk. Usually we take him on walks for fun, but this time we're taking him on a walk because my fucking grandma scared the shit out of him, saying shit like that, just yelling at me basically for walking on the floor she just mopped. I got called a fucking jackass and an asshole, all the ass names, and some more, just because I accidentally walked on a wet floor, but it'd be like that sometimes. What are you doing in there? What are you doing in there?
What are you eating under there?
Oh my god. Jasper, come here. Come here. No, there's pineapple on his face. You ever break out the tarot cards in the laundromat?
Every day.
So long story short, we got kicked out. So it's the morning time now, and we just spent the first night in our van. We're up in Caribou National Forest. It rained, and it looks really pretty out there. I think we're gonna go on a walk. So I'm really happy. So man, what a man, what a man, what a man, what a good man. We finished our walk. There's our house.
Scratching my pits.
Sorry. There's our house. There's my baby. He's so happy, I think. Or he's faking it. I don't know.
No, I'm happy.
Steven!
What?
I was trying to take a vlog and you spit in it.
Alright. I want to make the stream deeper. What? You see that shit?
Yeah.
That's not outdoors.
Hello, cute boy.
Hello, cute girl.
Cooking our oatmeal up in the mountains. What you gonna do about it? Probably nothing. It is van life day number 2. We just got everything organized. We got our thingy-mabob, our car hat on top. Hi Stevie.
Hello.
I love you.
My hair looks horrible.
It's okay. My boots are out here because they're stinky. Hey, keep them out here. They're stinky. I'm going to do a van tour. We got this little Rubbermaid thing. It's got like alcohol and Q-tips and scissors, chapstick, hand sand. This is basically our junk drawer. It's got, then we got our dish towels hanging up on the door handles. I think that's hilarious. Get it? Because it's like oven handles. Got our tarot cards, Stevie's book. My guitar's up here. My cooler's up here. My coat's up here. There's just stuff up here. That's just how it be. Like in that box is where we got our battery. Don't worry, there's a plastic container in there too. It's not all just in a wooden box. But we got our battery that we charge with our solar panel. We got a gravity blanket, keeps us nice and warm. We got all of our shower stuff in that bag right there. Got our incense hanging up right there. Got some baskets of stuff here, like essential oils, and this is like all my face skincare stuff, so it's right by the bed so I don't forget. Here's our bed. It's nice and cozy. And then over here we got some pans hanging. These blinds are usually up, but they're down. Then we've got a bunch of stickers and pictures that we're gonna hang up. And I'm sure you saw in previous vlogs the tapestry was up here, but we took it down. We're gonna hang pictures there instead. It'll be all right, because Stevie's gonna sell his necklaces on the tapestry. We gotta sew that up. But under here is more containers and storage. That's where our sink is hooked up to. And what else? Got in our emergency bag with all of our tools. And another junk drawer right here. Well, this is not junk. I'm sorry, Cartier. I love this so much. I just have it here for easy access. Vitamins, tissues. Yeah, we're all set. And then up in our car hat, we've got our clothes and stuff. And then under our bed, we've got our dishes, and cleaning stuff, and some more tools. So yeah, that was our van. That was our van tour. Cool stuff. You look so cute.
You look cute.
Oh, I was driving away and then I remembered I almost forgot. I almost forgot this pumpkin to show you. I almost forgot to show you this pumpkin. Got it right. Okay, so what happened was, I was like, I wish we had a mini pumpkin for our van in my head. And then I found one on the ground. So, nice. Thank you, universe. Tooth on the sidewalk. What the fuck? What the fuck?
Which side goes out? That's what I want to know.
I think those bottom two are the roots.
Either those are the roots and the other side goes out, or what if those are the roots and it's two connected dog teeth?
I don't know!
I don't know either.
Life, day 3, stranded. A battery died last night. The odometer just started going freaking crazy, like the needle. And the lights were like flashing, so I like pulled over. And I shouldn't have. I should have just kept going until we got to our camping spot. But I wanted to play it safe. And by playing it safe, I played it dangerous. And it wouldn't start by the time I pulled over. So to Google what was going on. So, yeah, we stayed the night here because we couldn't get anyone to jump us last night because so little cars drive down this road. Steven's coming up from the forest to go pee. Update, that car said she's gonna send her husband down from their house up that driveway, and he's going to jump us, so I'm very excited about that, considering we've been here for like freaking 10 hours now. So we took our battery out of the hood. That's right, I'm a car girl. Steven helped. Then we took it to O'Reilly's. They said it's good, so it's not the battery that's broken, it's something else. So we're getting it towed to a mechanic and they're going to try to fix it. Got towed. Now we're eating soup outside the mechanics. Happens. Steven's a nerd. He's trying to show me his Minecraft.
I'm not saying I was. Got the tooth! Oh, I just spit everywhere. Got the tooth. Stevie's gonna wire wrap it. I'm gonna put it right next to my rock. And it's gonna be cool.
I ain't touching that shit till she sanitizes it.
Nah. Holding a spoon, they think we're fucking doing crack. Nah, we're disinfecting a tooth for my new necklace, bro.
Definitely next week we're doing crack.
So, oil meter started going crazy, even though the fucking mechanic said they topped off all of our fluids. But guess fucking what? There's no oil cap under here, so we can't put oil from under there. We had to take out our whole fucking console right here to get to the engine. Here, you want to move your head so I can blow it real quick? Which is underneath our freaking car. So annoying. Okay. Literally got our car out of the mechanic today. You can't really see it, but it's just spurting radiator fluid. What the fuck? This huge puddle is already here, and we've been here for like 5 seconds. We just pulled over. Oh my god. All these ones are broken. I want to go on, so him's climbing for me. Freaking just got done at the mechanic. He said we were fine, and now it's happening again. I hate my life! So, yeah, that mechanic came to the rest stop, and they were supposed to also tow us. They brought the tow truck. But then he said that we were fine and that we should just start driving. So we just started driving, and then about 2 miles in, wouldn't you say? Yeah. We broke down again, started doing all that leakage, which you just heard me scream about. And so now we're on the side of the highway again. And, well, I guess I pulled off a little bit on an exit, luckily. So we're right outside of the highway now. And we were on the highway for a second. I had to let it cool down, and then I started back up and got us here. And so, just as a little timeline for you, it's been 20 hours. 20 hours of being stranded here. I'm hungry! The tow truck came. Oh, I'm being watched, okay. And they said that it's probably the engine, which means it's fucking totaled. Which means we couldn't even sell it for money.
and so we have like $500 to our name, so we're thinking about just buying some plane tickets to Hawaii and being homeless there. I think that's our best option. And I don't think I'm gonna be able to see Fiddler tomorrow. I'm actually like 100% sure, so I'm really sad about that because they're my favorite band. But what you gonna do? And we don't even have enough money to like get a deposit and pay rent on an apartment. So I don't know what to do.
3 of being stranded. Yes or no?
What?
Is it day 3 of being stranded? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, well it is.
We got stranded the first night.
Yep. Yep, we got stranded the first night. Now it's the 3rd night. Yep. That is how it works.
Day like 2.5 since it was at night when we got stranded. That's
Yeah.
what I meant to say and then didn't.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so we're gonna have Steven's brother come rescue us.
Yeah, he's gonna get a big trailer.
Yeah, we got towed to this towing place. That's where our van is parked right now. It's the one with the little hat on it. See, you can't see it, but you can see his little hat. And
hat.
Yep, the car hat. And something I'm mad about right now isn't really any of that. It's the fact that Ethan from H3, in one of his newer videos, he said that the only reason for side pockets is for condom and lube. So only predators wear jackets with side pockets. I know he was joking, but I'm afraid some people don't, and I'm going to be labeled as a predator. What do you think?
I don't think H3 has enough influence to make it common that anyone will accuse you of having lube in your jacket pocket.
Okay, that's going on. We're stuck in Malad, Idaho, and that's where a lot of people win the lottery. So we're thinking about maybe buying a lottery ticket. I don't know. I just did some witchcraft in the back of that towing facility, so maybe it's a good time to try. What?
It's like a dog made of plastic.
Yeah. Falling! I just dropped my phone in that river. So we gotta head back and get the rice before we do any more exploring. Oh no, I just wanted a cute Insta pic. Testing, testing. Is my microphone louder? In town just has chickens in the street. What is going on?
Malad is so fun.
Day 4 of being fucking stranded. I'm so fucking hungry, and all the grocery stores are closed because it's fucking Sunday. Everything else is fucking closed, so we're gonna have to eat fucking either gas station food or maybe find something at the Family Dollar because that seems to be open. Maybe it's not even now. Maybe they're fucking closed now, probably, by the time we walk there. And I just want to kill myself, but Steven tells me no because he doesn't let me do anything. And yeah, so that's our current situation. There was a cover band playing at this bar that's behind us last night. They were so fucking awful, so I didn't even get that much sleep till they fucking stopped playing after like 3 hours. So I'm cranky because of that too, and I smell bad.
Sick. Just brought it to my attention that the night before we got stranded for the 2nd time, we got stranded a different time, meaning this is actually day 6 or day 5 of being stranded. So if anyone wants to kill me, I'll hit you up with the location. I'm stranded day 6. I'm stoned day now, and I'm gonna do a rant about Pornhub. It's not sad, Steven. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna do my rant about Pornhub over sad music. So, but I'm not sad about it. Guess I'll act sad about it. Oh. Okay, thank you. But it's not very sad either. It's kind of angry. Okay, I'll do it later. My rant is people people think porn, people see this ad that's like, sign up for Pornhub, it's paying amateurs like $12K or something. I don't even remember. I saw it like once 2 years ago. But people keep telling me about it. And I just want to let you know that's not true. One time I had a video up on Pornhub and it got 100,000 views. And you know what I made from that? Less than $100. It's not good money. Don't go on Pornhub. And you know what else? Even if porn stars get millions and millions of views, they get paid like however many $100s for that, just to make that video, like that gig. They get paid like actors because they are actors. And so don't make porn with Pornhub or like other porn businesses. Make porn by yourself and be an independent business, or else you're not going to make any money. I just want to let you know that. My lungs hurt.